If you have 5 ingredients in one pan, you can make dinner. Today we are making taco rice. It's cooked in one pan and the rice even cooks in the pan. So it's so easy and I promise the rice is never mushy. I'm Christina with eatingonadime.com. We love teaching everyone how to make budget-friendly dinners at home. And today's recipe is under $10. Let's get cooking. Heat a large skillet over high heat and we're going to add in 1 pound of ground beef. Now you can use ground chicken or ground turkey if you prefer. Break up the beef. We're going to brown this completely. Now when we brown ground beef, break it up once and then let it sit and cook to get it nice and brown on all the sides. So the trick to ground beef is not to break it up too soon. You want to let it set and caramelize and actually brown. A lot of people start breaking it up right away and you really just get steamed ground beef instead of brown. So resist that urge. Also, I know you guys are asking about my pink meat chopper already. It's linked in the description below. Once you start seeing it brown up around the edges and you can see it on the pan, it's good to go in and break it up and toss it with this because you want to get it broken up and brown on all sides. Continue to break up the beef as it cooks. If you have any excess grease or water, drain it off at this time. I use lean ground beef, so mine's looking good. Season the beef with 1 packet of taco seasoning mix. You can use homemade as well, and I've linked that in the description below. Add in 3 cups water. Then add in 1 cup salsa. Any salsa will work, whatever your favorite is. And last, 1.5 cups long grain rice. You want to make sure to use long grain. This is going to prevent it from getting mushy. Stir to combine the ingredients. Turn the heat up to high and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, cover, reduce the heat to low, and let this simmer for about 15 to 18 minutes until the rice is tender and the liquid is absorbed. While the rice is cooking, let's get the cheese ready. We want about a 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese for this recipe. I like to shred my own just because it melts creamier and it tastes better. You can use any type of cheese that you like. You can use Colby Jack, you can use pepper jack if you want a little spice. And if you're in a time crunch, just use the pre-shredded. It'll still taste great and it'll work perfectly. You just need 1 cup, but I like to make a little extra because I like to munch on it while I'm cooking. It's been cooking for about 17 minutes and I've been checking on it and look at that. The water is nice and absorbed and the rice is tender. Go ahead and turn off the heat, but leave the pan right here and we're stir in that cheddar cheese. The heat from the meal will melt the cheese, so you don't need any more heat added. Just keep stirring until the cheese is completely melted and then that's it. It's ready to serve. Then it's ready to serve. It's delicious served just like this, or you can put some of your favorite taco toppings on top. Today, I'm just adding a little bit of green onions. My kids are obsessed with this recipe. It has so much flavor and it's so easy to whip together. I love just serving it with a favorite like green veggie and dinner's done. Can't wait to try this. Amazing. And remember, this is only $10 to make. So if you love cheap recipes that still taste amazing, check out our next video. All right, I'm out of here. This taco rice is calling my name and I am hungry. It's officially dinner time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, friends, so you never miss one of our easy and delicious recipes, and I'll see you next time. Bye, friends. I could eat this every day. It's that good.